Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add age verification for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down in the description and click on the link below. When you're going to click on it, you will get this on this site called L-Site. In L-Site, what you want to do is just click here, sign up for free. When you're going to sign up for free, just create an account and we will get to our login. Click on login. Here in applications, we want to write age. First, you can see it here, age verification, create a widget. Now, I recommend, you can have many templates here, but I recommend going with the default one, is the most simplest one. Welcome to our website, please verify your age to enter. I'm over 18, I'm under 18. Let's continue with this template. Now, minimum age, you can increase it to 19 even. Remember visitor for 30 days, that's okay. Now you got content. Welcome to our site. Please enter your date of birth. I'm over, okay. You can also upload your logo, and this is how we got it. So now just click save. Then you have option which plan you want to choose. The first one is light, that's like $0 per month, completely for free, and you got 200 views. Or then you can improve to basic. Or you can go get all applications for 15 bucks a month, and it's like not that much, and it's in my opinion worth it because this check all the other applications. So let's copy the code and let's go here. Let's paste the code here. And let's see custom HTML, edit it. And oh no, not here. Oh my god, go to settings, go to SEO and write it here to header code. This is where you want it, and click save. Then when you're going to publish the site, it will always appear on your site. When you're going to publish it, you will see it. So test it out yourself, that's really important, and that's how you got it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.